I have frigidaire freezer that reads of.
Hi, Linda. I'm Smitty. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. What is the model number of your unit, please? The Home Smithy 41257.1182521875.
LFFH21F7HWG. LFFH21F7HWG.
Looking this up now. Please understand that I am not the world's fastest typer and it can take up to 15 minuets, or more, to gather the information you need and type it all up. I may also be working with multiple customers and that also can delay my reply to you. Rest assured I will not leave you hanging. If you like, reply to me and ask how much longer I will be. I'll be happy to let you know. Relisting your question will not get you a faster reply. Please bear with me and I promise to type as fast as my fingers can find the keys. Thank you.
To understand, I type slow. Also, I forgot to tell you, I think my granddaughter messed with a button. Thanks, Linda.
Sorry for the wait, Linda. The F0 of error code indicates a stuck key on the keypad. Run your fingers over the keys and see if any of them are different. If there is a stuck key, try poking it to see if it will come unstuck. If it won't, then the keypad will have to be replaced. It might just be that the unit needs to be reset after your granddaughter pressed enough of the buttons to give the main control board a jerplinking. Fortunately, there is a simple solution to a jerplunked control board. Just unplug the unit for about 5 minuets and then plug it back in. That will reset everything. If that doesn't work and the keypads feel normal, then you most likely have a bad control board. As the diagnostics involves testing of live electrical circuits, you may wish to consider contacting a repair service and let them do the repairs. If you wish to do the repairs yourself, I am more than able to help you do so. Some basic electronics knowledge and ability to work with live electrical circuits will be required. Thank you for allowing me to assist you. As you know, we work on the honor system here. This will not close your question, or prevent you from asking follow-up questions. Please consider clicking bonus as a nice way of saying thanks for a job well done, although this is neither required nor expected. Please read this before you rate the Home Smithy 41257.1386725881. Hello Linda, it sounds like your granddaughter may have simply turned off your freezer. Once the freezer is turned off and the display shows of, the user must press the temperature down button 3 times within 3 seconds to turn the freezer back on. The freezer will then display 10, the highest temperature setting available. If this quickly solves your issue, I only ask that you select a positive feedback.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.